Being highly social animals, elephants form strong bonds within their herds. They are known for their long-term memory as they remember water sources, feeding grounds, and even other individuals. Elephants spend up to 3/4 of the day eating greens. These pachyderms engage in elaborate greetings involving caressing trunks and exchanging vocalizations. A large number of veins in the ears ensure that the body temperature of elephants is regulated while flapping. They scratch their bodies against tree trunks and swish their tails to relieve an itch. Elephants communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including rumbles, trumpets, and roars. Being excellent swimmers, they spend time in the water to cool down and clean their skin. Elephants demonstrate problem-solving skills as they navigate obstacles, find hidden food, and use their trunks to manipulate objects. Spraying dust helps elephants remove parasites while protecting their skin from the heat.
Hi, I'm Karthik Satyanarayan. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Wildlife SOS. You can help save India's wildlife by subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.